Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be solving a proportion. This is when we have a fraction equal a fraction. So most people call it the cross multiplying method. I also like to call it the butterfly method or butterfly effect, and you'll see why. We're going to get a cute little butterfly. For our multiplying, we're going to create half of our butterfly here, or cross multiply the 5 and the x plus 3. I'm going to make sure to put the x plus 3 in parentheses because we have two terms. We're going to create the other half of our butterfly with 2 times x for the other half of our equal sign. And then you'll see we're going to distribute the 5 into the x plus 3. So we get 5x plus 15 equals 2x. From here, we're going to just solve our normal equation and use inverse operations. So I'm going to combine my variables together, subtract 5 from both sides. We are left with 15 equals negative 3x. Then our last step here is to divide by negative 3 on both sides to get x by itself. We have 15 divided by negative 3, so we get negative 5 for x. And that is our butterfly effect. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.